KMRSounds.
I wear ugly I go. From you know you're pretty, go on with yourself. Bad girl wine pon me, so me grab it and lift it up. Say she wanna give it up all to me, so me take a sip from me cup. Say she ready, so me bring her down, me up from underneath it. I don't know about the one you sweetheart. Wind up your body for me, girl. Turn back, where them girl you want. Lift her up and then me put her on the ground under the rum. Say she want ride the truck. Give her it one time, give her it few times. Say she can't get enough. Girl, I say she like long broom. No one nothing short like brush. Hey baby, stay steady, make me pull your feet up. Make me pull your belly with the web of spider feet apart. Make me wind up now your belly when you're drunk off of the room. And when you're done, you say you're ready cause you just receive a quad. Inna the party, put your on the speaker part. Let me deal with your body rough till you with your pop. Girl, follow me command, listen when the teacher talk. Make sure you're ready for me when me reach a class. You the pretty little, give me a little more. Look for your tits, them a bunk. Till your soul, make me put it in between your lips. We bore, call her say she want a sample up of the pickle, you sure. Fling you on the floor, fling you on the door. Coming back with take you on a tour and feel your core. Make me put it in between your lips. We bore, call her say she want a sample up of the pickle, you sure. Wine for me now. Turn back, where them girl you want. Lift her up and then me put her on the ground under the rum. Say she want ride the truck. Give her it one time, give her it few times. Say she can't get enough. Girl, after she like long broom, no one nothing short like brush. After that, sexy girl come test the John. Want you wine your waist spin like festival, like the Puerto Rican girls and Mexican girl. You sure if you wet like when I touch the can. You the pretty little, give me a little more. Look for your tits, them a bunk. Till your soul, make me put it in between your lips. We bore, call her say she want a sample up of the pickle, you sure. Fling you on the floor, fling you on the door. Coming back with more, take you on a tour and feel your core. Make me put it in between your lips. We bore, call her say she want a sample up of the pickle, you sure. Girl, bring your body come, bring your body come. Bring you on the table, make you cover the room. Girl, bring your body come, bring your body come. Keep your body steady, mama, do no bother run, cause are you first. Turn back, where them girl you want. Lift her up and then me put her on the ground under the rum. Say she want ride the truck. Give her it one time, give her it few times. Say she can't get enough. Girl, I say she like long broom. No one nothing short like brush. Hey baby, stay steady, make me pull your feet up. Make me pull your belly with the web of spider feet apart. Make me wind up now your belly when you're drunk off of the room. And when you're done, you say you're ready cause you just receive a quad. Inna the party, put your on the speaker part. Let me deal with your body rough till you with your pop. Girl, follow me command, listen when the teacher talk. Make sure you're ready for me when me reach a class. You the pretty little, give me a little more. Look for your tits, them a bunk. Till your soul, make me put it in between your lips. We bore, call her say she want a sample up of the pickle, you sure. Fling you on the floor, fling you on the door. Coming back with take you on a tour and feel your core. Make me put it in between your lips. We bore, call her say she want a sample up of the pickle, you sure. Who she? Bad girl wine pon me, so me grab it and lift it up. Say she wanna give it up all to me, so me take a sip from me cup. Say she ready, so me bring her down, me up from underneath. I don't know about the one you sweetheart. Wind up your body for me, girl. Turn back, where them girl you want. Lift her up and then me put her on the ground under the rum. Say she want ride the truck. Give her it one time, give her it few times. Say she can't get enough. Girl, I say she like long broom. No one nothing short like brush.